Hello guys, this is Derek Bertubin, and today we're going to go ahead and take a look at the beta phase of the Ready app. Now, we do have some new features that weren't available in the last version of the app, and we also have some minor UI fixes all the way through, and let's go ahead and take a look at that. Now, here I've logged in with another test user Facebook account. I've spent a lot of time on the Facebook side. I'll be wrapping up the email side in this next week. But overall, we have two more, which would be two more entries here, or two more rows or selections that a user could choose: family and messages. Now, list is basically the home page. Feed, of course, is sorting it by however you want to arrange it. Sort by all, sort by posts from friends, sort by family. Nobody's shared anything with me or identified me as family and shared to family. And then we have public. So the other thing, we do have a differentiation of friends versus family. Friends, you pretty much have to be a friend, really, for the most part, to be a family member. So family is more exclusive, but just to show this differentiation, here we go. Whoops, actually that's family. So we've identified this user's family. Now we can go in and remove. I don't have the scripting in as of yet for this, but we can detect at this point. And then let's say we wanted to add somebody as a family member. We can go ahead and add as family, of course, at that point. So we went around and identified how we can share to different groups. Well, that's how we can pretty much manage and view the different groups as well. And based on previous feedback to have the family, I hope this is a good answer or response to the feedback for having family more interwoven in the app. Next is messages. Currently we don't have any messages here. Now, until I figure out a way to present a picker to make to actually write messages, I'm going to display an alert here to just go to friends and pick a friend and hit the chat bubble. Now, if I type in here, hey, how are you doing, and hit send, I should get a push notification. Oh, there we go. And we actually have the message. Derek sent you a message. Hey, how are you doing? All right. And so that is that. Now, if I open this message, it'll take us to the app, and let's go ahead and look at messages. So we have, now we can see here, hey, how are you doing? Now, if I type again, you good, it should automatically push and upload with an alert. Now, ideally we wouldn't want that alert to come up, but for now that's something I'll have to work on. Now I can respond back, good, thank you, you, question mark, and go ahead and send that. And now for some reason I can't get push notifications, and actually I know why I can't get push notifications to work, but this would be a good opportunity to showcase. Before we didn't have messages, but now we do, and we can go in here and we see that it updates. So we do have that. This shouldn't really show, but we'll fix that. Now, so you can view all your messages here. The only problem right now is that you just can't add from here, and you would definitely want that. So I'll be working on that for the release candidate. But that's pretty much it. And the other thing is, for, let's say, go to San Francisco. Well, I don't want to comment on my own, or actually that's not my own. So I can go and I can put this down now. Hey, dude, This sounds fun. I want in. Okay, so here's another thing to showcase. That's why I was holding it up. So I get a push notification even on the comment for an item. So Derek said, let's see if we can read that. Derek said, "Hey dude." So that is the app. So we got push notifications working. The only thing that I really don't have that I really need to have, that's imperative to the app design is this notification here. And I'm still trying to figure out a way to collect notifications from the remote did receive remote notifications and present them in a way where I can reference and direct and kind of basically present things like modal views of comments or messages or even items. So that is that. That's where I'm at now. So all the core functionality for the most part is there. And we'll be working on perfecting this for the release candidate as much as possible and seeing what users think and having that done by next week. Thank you and see you soon.